Hello everyone, this is day 24 of HTML Mastery Course 2026. So today we will learn HTML project architecture. So HTML project architecture refer to the way we organize all files and folders in a web project. It provides a clear structure for HTML files, CSS files, JavaScript files, images and other assets so that the project become easier to understand, maintain and scale. So a good project architecture helps developer keep file organized, find resources quickly, collaborate with team efficiently, and maintain project easily and build a scalable application. Now let's learn about folder structure. So what is folder structure? Folder structure is the process of arranging project file into a logical folder and subfolder to make the project organized and easy to manage. Instead of placing everything in one location, we separate files according to their purpose. So why folder structure matter? Keep project organized, make collaboration easier, improve maintainability and save development time and help project grow efficiently. So let's take the example. Asset store all project assets, then contain all style sheets files inside in the CSS folder, and then image store inside the image folder and also graphics, and JS folder store all JavaScript file, and pages store the additional HTML pages, and root file store the main file index.html and the documentation file readme.md. So index is the home page and readme.md explain the project. So some benefit: a proper folder structure make project easier to navigate, easy to maintain, scalable and professional. Now let's learn about file organization. What is file organization? File organization means arranging file logically and giving them meaningful names so developer can easily locate it, update and maintain them. Good file organization is one of the most important practice in a professional development. So some best practice: group the similar file together, use meaningful file names, keep naming convention consistent, avoid unnecessary folders, keep important file accessible. So this is the example of project organization, and let's use this project organization in our HTML file. So let's take the example. Load the style sheet from the CSS folder. This is load the logo image from the image folder, and this page slash about.html link to another page, and it's load the JavaScript functionality. So some benefits: good file organization provide faster development, easier debugging, better collaboration, cleaner projects and easier maintenance. Now let's learn about industry standard. What are industry standard? Industry standard are the best practices followed by professional developers and software companies to create clean, maintainable and scalable projects. So these standards ensure that every developer can easily understand and work on the project. So some industry standard rules: use consistent folder structures, use meaningful file names, separate HTML, CSS and JavaScript, write clean code, use documentation, follow the naming convention and build the scalable project. So that is the professional project structure. Here is the constant folder structure: asset, pages, files are grouped by purpose, meaningful naming, the style.cs, main.js, about.html and content.html. These names clearly describe their purpose. So separation of concern means HTML is the structure, CSS is the styling and JavaScript is the functionality. So documentation means readme.md contain the project information and instructions. So this structure can easily grow from 5 files to 500 plus files without becoming difficult to manage. Today you learned HTML project architecture, folder structure, file organization, industry standard. So by following these professional practices, you can build projects that are organized, maintainable, scalable, team friendly and industry ready. So this concept for the foundation of professional web development projects.